restricted exhaust.
Yep.
This is a little older. This is my Uncle John's 034 Super. This is a Pro Series saw, they call it.
Ooh, cool.
Has like a magnesium crankcase and stuff, rebuildable. You can put any crank in it. You can stroke it out if you want.
Cool.
Totally tunable.
Wow.
The exhaust is way more gnarly, as you can tell.
Oh, cool.
Look at the difference in exhaust.
Wow.
Twice as loud.
Yeah.
But anyway, he needs it back. So there's one online right now, the newer version, the 036. And it's $375. I think I'm gonna go buy it today. But
And is that one new or pre-owned?
it's pre-owned. It's
Yeah.
still a bit older than this. This is like a 2006.
Okay, how old is that one, do you know?
That's like a 1985.
Cool. And
And it rips.
what does a brand new top of the line like lumberjack steel saw go for?
Like 12 to 1500.
Okay, not bad.
Yeah,
and it's,
so
it's something you hand down generations,
Yeah,
right? Sweet.
and I'll need one of those too. So what I think is this saw, due to the fact that it's non-rebuildable and weak, it's weaker than it should be. And heavier, that's the weird part. It's heavier than that, but that has 25% more power.
So this is just less displacement, smaller exhaust and stuff?
Same displacement even.
Just doesn't breathe, it's not...
Doesn't breathe, it's not rebuildable, it's not built to tight specs.
Weak saw.
It runs well, but I think what I'm going to do is sell this one.
Yeah.
Buy a replacement, which is basically that saw, which is a beast, but a small saw still.
Yeah.
And then this fall, buy a big one.
Cool.
Let's see if she starts. Runs well. Anyway, I've been researching online. I can take this cover off and then drill out some holes underneath there, I guess, and then kind of grind this hole out a little bit.
Make a bigger exhaust manifold or whatever.
Pretty much, yeah. But
funny.
I may or may not do that. I also think I might just sell this saw, and might be more advantageous to have it be stock.
Yeah, yeah.
I think so. Stock's generally better for resale.
Exactly, yeah. If you're gonna move on from it, might as well keep it unmodified, I guess, right?
Yeah. Unfortunately, this.
Think you can get 150 for it or something?
Yeah, hopefully 200.
Sweet.
Well,
MS 310.
This thing is a boss.
Yeah.
Crazy. Same displacement, but like totally.
What are they, like 60 cc's or something?
Yeah, these are both 60.
I was right. Ah, that's cool.
Can you tell?
Oh yeah.
Sound is different.
Yeah. Sounds like a dirt bike.
Up and make it come. Not fully tacking out, maybe just because it's cold.
Yeah. Go cut something. Woo! Timber! Packing out. Sweet. What's the model of that one again?
It's a 034 AV Super.
Sweet. What a beast from the 80s.
I know. Made in West Germany before the fall of the Berlin Wall.
Dude, wow. No wonder it's a damn good product. Those Germans can do it.
So anyway, I hope to replace that with basically the newer version, which became made in the US in '92, I believe.
Okay.
Same saw though.
Cool.
This thing,
So Stihl's an American company now, or?
I think they make some in Japan, some in Sweden.
Okay.
I believe they're Swedish.
Cool.
I think they're Swedish.
They've just gotten bigger.
Don't quote me on the Swedish. No, they might be Austrian. One of those European countries. It's just kind of weak. I don't know, it's just like way restricted and detuned.
Have you tried putting a blade on it? Or whatever you call it. Just kidding. That's funny. So, old school versus new school. New shit's weak.
Yeah,
the cheap one.
Mostly just because this is the homeowner series.
Okay.
That's the Pro series. They still make Pro series, which are sick. Some of them are fuel injected now.
Go pro or go home.